Like today, I would like to introduce you an iOS app with a variable like task table cell, and you can see like each like table cell got different lengths, different height. So and with some like view to specify the line number. So let's see how to do this. Okay. So basically we will new project here. Okay. We new project. We use a single view project here and do not use the code data, and I call it demo. Okay, just create. Okay, good, great. And now we got our like new project here. And initially I will do the things like new 3 group. One is model, and second is view, and third is controller. Okay, great. Then the main storyboard is view, and your controller is controller. Okay. And about a model. Model is basically the data. And what's our data? Okay, this is our data. And you drag to here, and you will see copies needed. Yes. So here you go. You got a data here, and basically our task is just pull this data into our like table view app. And how to do that? You need to like make a class. You make object for this kind of data. So let's do it. New file, and you need a script file to do that. And I call it MTA line, our object. Okay. So you got this object, and you can see we got a full feature, full threads here: name, hash color, letter, description. So we will need full data member here. Okay. And because I did that before, so I will just copy paste here. Okay. So you see that here we go. We got an empty align object, and we take a look about this code. It's pretty critical part, because it's about how you like parse the data and get the data, and to do the data parsing to your resources. Then your app can use this kind of data by the array format or something. And you can see we got full data member, name, hash color, letter, description, and the initialization just pass full strings to this object. Okay. Then you got a get JSON function, and this function is just return an array of empty lines. Okay, empty line object. So basically we will pass our JSON data in this function and return an array of empty objects. Okay. So here you use NS bundle to get the JSON file, and afterwards you will do the parse JSON from data. And because it's a pretty universal function, like if you want to do the JSON parsing stuff, you will do this many times. So I wrote an extension here, and you can see the extension is like first of all you will have the data and question mark. The question mark is like because you are not sure whether you will get data or not, so it's not sure, so it's a question mark. And you return any object is also a question mark, because you don't know what kind of object will you return about this kind of data. And you do the JSON serialization here and the JSON object with data, and you read the data here. You read the data here, and here's the option, and now you got a string of object, and you return the JSON dictionary. And here we use try, because the JSON serialization may fail. You may get some exception. If you get exception, you print it out, printed out the error. And the error will happen is something like you got wrong format of JSON, or you got incomplete data because of internet issue. And if you have no data, you just return nil. Okay, so that's it. It's basically our data model things. And let's take a look about how to pull this data to the iOS app. Okay, so go to the main storyboard to figure out the view stuff. We don't need this, so just delete that. And okay, we need a table view, right? It's a table view here and drag here, and you got table view here, and here you need to do the control and drag. How to do the control and drag? Let's see. This is control. You need to hit on this button and to do the drag. And if you succeed, you will see this. You will see this blue line if you succeed. Okay. Yeah. So you hit on a control and do a selection, and you can do here. It's a data get. Okay. Then you will do something like now this view has no controller to control it. Okay, so you need to outlet your view to a controller. Okay, so here same thing here. You drag here, and I will say it's my table view. It's weak. Okay, so you can see all the attributes are updated here. It's like the communication between view and controller stuff, and I will close it into the table to a view controller. Yeah, it's pretty great. Just like this, you will get your view controller, and your view controller basically is embedded a table view inside. Okay, and now to do the customize table cell.